Hi everyone, I'm Enterprise Mayor William E. Cooper. I'm coming to you today by video. I hope this finds you well and that you are following safety practices to reduce your chance of contracting that potentially deadly virus. As you know, in these difficult days under this coronavirus threat, we are forced to find creative ways to do daily business, and we are trying to take advantage of some of the social media tools that are available. I felt at this time of the crisis in our community and the world, I needed to come to you face to face to share with you important information as we move throughout the crisis. This is not a time for politics or any other distraction. No, we are focused on making sure that our citizens are informed and protected as much as possible. Consequently, here I am for the very first Facebook video. I hope that this will be beneficial to you and all, that we can continue on some type of regular basis. This will be short message that I think is very important for you. Please bear with us as we work out the kinks on this new communications endeavor. Today, I want to talk to you about the virus crisis. The latest information we have from the Alabama Department of Public Health is that we have 14 confirmed cases in Coffee County. Thankfully, we have no deaths related to the virus as yet. Of course, we are closely monitoring this situation. We've been keeping in contact with the Coffee County Emergency Management Agency and its director, James Brown, as well as state health officials and others. Director Brown has told me that a number of tests that have been given in Coffee County, but 80% of those are coming back negative. So that is good news. Still, we wish no one would get the virus. That's why we're asking you and pleading with you to really follow the safety practices that you've been hearing about now for weeks. We simply must limit our exposure to other people, and we need to practice the 6-foot social distancing rule and all of the cleanliness measures to try not to transmit the virus or get it from someone else. If by some chance you have not heard the instructions, please go to the Alabama Department of Public Health website, Governor Ivey's website, and even the city's website and Facebook page. There is plentiful information out there, so please stay informed how to protect yourself as well as others. The sooner we can slow down and prevent the spread of the virus, the sooner life can return to the more of a sense of normalcy, and people can go back to work and back to business of living their lives, doing the things that they need to do. I want to assure all of you that your city government is handling this crisis as best we can. This is new to us, just as it is to you. But I think our department heads and employees are doing a fine job of maintaining the high quality of city services that our citizens are accustomed to. At the same time, we are trying to make sure that our employees and the public are protected from possible exposure to the virus. That is not an easy task, but we are taking this situation very seriously. And to our employees, we're trying to do our very best to follow all safety measures. You may have already noticed that we've temporarily limited access to City Hall, and all of our city buildings are closed to the public. But City Hall is open, absolutely necessary business only. This, of course, is being done to protect you, the public, as well as our employees. In the light of the governor's stay-at-home order, The council on last week passed a resolution limiting access to City Hall and implementing a rotation work schedule for our employees in order to reduce the number of employees present in the building. Until conditions improve, the public is able to enter the building at only 3 doors and 1 inside. They are restricted on where they are permitted. We have arranged to wait on customers through windows, doors, or simply by calling the city number. Our department heads and employees have worked hard to develop a system that's safe for everyone. It may be a little inconvenient, but it's certainly worth it to avoid sickness. This can be a deadly virus to many people. And of course, we are working closely with the Coffee County Health Department, Coffee County EMA to have plans in place to deal with the situation. If we have larger number of sick people, I want to commend both of those agents and their leaders on their hard work. James and his assistant director, Grant Lowndes, have really taken the lead in working with the Enterprise Medical Center to prepare hospital surge plans, quarantine locations for first responders, and a variety of other things that very well could be needed as this situation expands. I realize that the public does not see all the work and preparation that goes on when something like this happens. But I can tell you that all of us have been busy behind the scenes for weeks, and you can be sure that we will try to ease the burdens of this terrible time. We can't do everything. However, some issues that come to you with us might be totally outside of our authority or jurisdiction. If we can't help, we will direct you to someone who might be able, where there is help available. We are saddened that this crisis have a negative effect on our local businesses, but we thank them for hanging in there and finding creative ways to do business in a safe way. I ask that everyone please remember that our restaurants and stores are doing curbside pickup and continue to support them. This will be over soon, we pray, and I want our business and the industry and our industrial families to come back to us whole. There's so much more that we could talk about regarding the virus threat, but before I go, I want to urge everyone to please stay informed about the weather conditions for this weekend. A significant threat of bad weather is forecast to hit our area late Sunday night and in the early portions of Monday. Please find a way to stay tuned to weather watches and warning, especially during that time. If you haven't already, go to the Coffee County EMA website and sign up for Coffee County Emergency Alert System, and you will get notified on your mobile phone and computer of weather information. WTVI also has a weather alert system. Don't forget to designate a safe place in your home to go and stay if a severe storm or tornado heads your way. Discuss the plan with your children or anyone in your household. Again, please stay informed and do have a good afternoon. Thank you.